Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Yukon headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10 mm socket. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Next, you'll need to locate the two 10 mm bolts that hold the top of the headlight assembly in place. These are usually visible once the hood is open. Carefully use your ratchet and extension to loosen and remove both of these bolts. It's a good idea to keep them in a safe spot so they don't get lost during the process. With the mounting bolts removed, gently pull the headlight assembly forward just enough to create some space behind it. This will allow you to access the electrical connector. Locate the main wiring harness connected to the back of the headlight unit. Press the small release tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart to disconnect the wiring. Now that the wiring is disconnected, you can fully slide the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dirt or debris before you install a new unit. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Ensure all bolts are tightened and the electrical connector is securely reattached for proper function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.